So just leaving the Tarkine RV park. This place has only been here 6 weeks. They've got some amazing plans for this place. I highly recommend it. I'll post a reel later on today. But anywho, we are heading to Trowatta from here. So let's go. It's been so quiet here. Overnight was really quiet. Countryside around here is beautiful. Oh, I think maybe that tree's finished. That's a nice big tree. So we've literally just come down a little hill and already we see the sign. This is why this place is such a fabulous place to be camping in. And Lake Chisholm, I think we're going to have a look at that as well, and a sinkhole. So there's quite a few things to do just around this area. When we woke up this morning it was absolutely miserable and cold, but from about 11ish onwards it decided to come nice again. Typical Tasmania. Right, we're turning this way, 5 kilometres down the road. So I think we've probably done about 2 kilometres to get to this 5 kilometre turn off. It's a track and it's doable with a regular car, and there's no potholes that we can see. I love all the Aussie flags that we've seen in this state. They're very patriotic, as they should be. A whole bunch of free-range chickens just run across the road. There might be somewhere where you can buy the eggs up here. That will be a bonus. Kilometers to go.
I was going to download it.
And it looks like we're here. The car park. Many people here, I wonder. Not many. It's not a massive car park, that's for sure. There's 3 cars here. We're the number 4th. Right, I'm going to stop this and then I'll restart it when we go into the walk. Bye.